Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to get a refund on Amazon. Whether you received a damaged item, the wrong product, or simply changed your mind, knowing how to navigate Amazon's refund process will save you time and hassle. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. Open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see Returns and Orders. Click on that option to access your order history and return options. Now, although I don't have any active orders to show you right now, I'll walk you through exactly what you'll see next. Once you're on the Returns and Orders page, you'll find a list of all your recent purchases. Locate the specific order that contains the item you want refunded. Next to that order, you'll see a button that says Return or Replace Items or Problem with Order. Go ahead and click on it to start the refund process. After clicking, Amazon will display all the items from that particular order. Select the item you want to return by clicking on it. This ensures Amazon knows exactly which product you're requesting a refund for, especially if your order contained multiple items. Next, Amazon will ask you to specify why you're returning the item. Click the reason that best matches your issue from the drop-down list. These options typically include things like item arrived damaged, wrong item sent, or no longer needed. Choosing the correct reason helps Amazon process your refund faster and improves their service. Once you've selected your reason, look for an option that says Request Refund if it appears on your screen. Not all return flows show this immediately, but when it does, click on it to proceed. Amazon might then ask you to type any extra details in a comments box. If this appears, provide a brief explanation of your issue. This step helps Amazon's support team understand your situation better and can speed up the approval process. After filling in any necessary details, click Submit or continue to the next screen to finish your refund request. At this point, Amazon may show you different return methods. Select how you want to return the item, such as dropping it off at an Amazon locker, a UPS store, or mailing it back. Choose whichever option is most convenient for you. Once you've completed all these steps, Amazon will send you a confirmation. Open your email or check your Amazon account later to track the refund status after the return is processed. Amazon typically processes refunds within a few days of receiving your returned item, though the exact timing can vary depending on your payment method. And that's it. You've successfully started the refund process on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.